Hey guys, so I literally came in from work just now and I was like, I feel like doing like a spend the evening with me type of vlog. I haven't done one of these in a while. You're a bit crooked. I haven't done one of these like in a while, and I came in and I was like, I'm just gonna have the most relaxing evening and I'm gonna watch TV. So I'm gonna turn on the TV. As soon as I come here, turn on the TV, I put my bag down here. I have two parcels here, one of which is from Beauty Pie. It's like a skincare brand. They've gifted me some stuff, so we're gonna go through that in a bit and show you guys what's in there. It's quite heavy. I did pick a few stuff, so we're gonna show you what's in there. However, I've been eating like shit today because I've been working out really good, and I'm like, let me just treat myself today. It's a Friday. Let me just eat whatever. Not like I normally like not eat whatever, but I normally eat at home. So today for lunch I had Subway. May I cut off? For lunch I had Subway, like a 6-inch, like a foot long, and that was so good. And from this morning I was passing the shop Chicken Cottage and I was like, that's what I'm gonna have for dinner. So dinner was already thought about from this morning when I was going to work. So I got like a Pepsi, and I got some wings, 3 wings. I wanted like wings, something to munch on before and between my meal, my actual meal. And then I got like some fries, which I probably need to start eating now before I get too cold. I'm gonna put some ketchup on it, which I shouldn't have. They're really nice. The ketchup is proper sweet though. It's a different ketchup. It's like them restaurant ketchup. You know, them restaurant ketchup is different from the one where you buy in there. So I don't know, it's just tastes a little bit different. Like the one where them send out the bulk tastes a little bit different. And then wash my hands. And then I have a burger, which I think them not putting cheese in all the burger is a good thing. I have cheese. So I have a burger. I've never shown them. It's like a chicken fillet burger with literally just lettuce and like what do you call that, mayonnaise in it. So I have some Mexican cheese on by the other day, because come to think of it, I eat burger when in another week I make like some juicy chicken burger in another week and I eat burger again. But them chicken burger was so good, and yeah, it was just amazing. So I bought the Mexican cheese to make those. I just remember I left my orange and my yogurt at work. But anyways, I can eat them on Monday. I bought this Mexican cheese from Iceland to put in the chicken burger. And when I tell you that it's so good, it's literally like so good. So I'm going to put this inside of this burger. And we're going to warm it up and we're going to eat it. The fries, boy. Today was such a long day, I'm not going to lie. Like so long. I had to do like an interview because I'm gonna be moving on to like a new job, so I have to be interviewing people for my role to take over. So I did like an interview, and then I had like another meeting right before work, right before I finished work, so that kind of went over a little bit, but that's fine. It's Friday now, so Chicken Cottage, well deserved. Let me grab a plate. Should I use the plate or should I eat it out of the box? Let me eat it out of the box. Because my plate in so many for wash. I never to wash them last night because the time got so late. I started editing like a video last night. And by the time I look on the time, I said, Ratty, always it after 10 already. I'm going to relax this evening. I like to at least get a little bit of relaxation in before I just jump to sleep or something, I don't know, like watch TV or something else, I don't know. So I decided to stop editing and then watch TV from about after 10 to like 11, and then I go bed around say that time. So I never really wash up the two little plate them right yourself, so I don't want to dirty up nothing else because I'm still trying to figure out like my dish draining, my dish draining situation. So you guys know, or if you're new here, I don't really have that much cupboard space, and because my microwave didn't really fit which pan I wanted, it kind of take up a lot of space on my countertop. So I bought like a, it's not microwave. I'm gonna talk to them before I start because she like make a wipe and nice. So I bought like a draining rack for the sink, but I'm gonna show you now. I bought this draining rack for the sink, but when I put plate on it, I literally have just this side to utilize, so it's kind of rough. I have the space here for work with, but last night what I discovered is if I put on this and bring this over a little bit like that, I can use that, and then I still have over here so I kind of like wash my dishes and stuff. But I'm still trying to figure it out, like moving stuff around and see. But honestly, can't complain. Like, I'm literally so happy in this place. I absolutely love it. Like, love it so much. And we hit 10K, almost there. We hit 1,000 subscriber. We're gonna get to the 10K one day, but we hit 1,000 subscriber, which is so good. Like, thank you guys so much. Like, literally appreciate you. I really enjoy like just vlogging and, you know, posting on YouTube and stuff. It's so nice. Like YouTube, TikTok, absolutely love them. Like Instagram, not so much, but TikTok, YouTube, like, I don't know what it is, but yeah, love the app. Like, love you guys, like the support that you show, and it's just me like enjoying it. Like, while I'm doing it, it's just the best thing, you know. And to know that I've hit like a 1,000 subscriber, it's, thank you guys, honestly. I have a serious problem. Like, I'm telling you, so the cheese good, you know what I'm gonna do? I was gonna put the cheese in the fridge just now, and I was like, what if I put like little bit of cheese pan the fries in a one bowl and put it in the microwave, make it melt over a little bit? That would be the best thing, not it? So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna melt this cheese on top of this and just make it super special, because why not? But now my thing become like soggy. But look at this. This even add too much to it. But look at this. So good. I'm gonna make it cool a little bit, and then I just bite right in it. But I don't want that too warm, because otherwise it just like a really soggy, and I don't want that. Let me grab a straw. I wanted to get a Coke Zero, but they didn't have any. So I didn't want any diet Pepsi, so I was like, just give me Pepsi. So it's either that or a Coke Zero or water. Oh, this is so good. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I was absolutely dreading something like this to happen. Like, oh, you know how much try my best not to make this happen. I mean, I could try a little bit harder, but oh, my Pepsi slipped out of my hand and then on my rug as well, which is so annoying. I mean, I guess I can buy that rug thing and clean it if it doesn't come out, but oh, I don't want it to stain, and I hate that it's spill on here. I'm gonna have to, I don't know if this is the best thing to clean it, but I think my sofa, the cover at the top can come off, so I'm gonna try and wash it tomorrow. Give it a rinse, because I don't want it to like smell or anything. I don't think the Pepsi will stain it, but I just don't want it to smell of juice, you know. The rug, on the other hand, which is like this really light color, is the problem. So I'm going to use this wipes. And just rub it off basically while it's still wet. So that meal, it wasn't the best, honestly. Like, I didn't really enjoy it. It was just something that wasn't really banging about it. I'm going to show you guys the stuff gifted from Beauty Pie. This is basically what it looks like, and you have it like perfectly packaged, which is so nice. And it said don't forget to post your Beauty Pie. Really nice tissue paper. and everything is like so nicely packaged as well. I feel like I just don't want to open it because I did want to do like a TikTok unboxing, but let me just open it neatly for you guys and show you what I got. I'm gonna try and rewrap it. So I got their brightening and oxygenating super drops. I think this is their niacinamide. Yeah, so this one, around this time of night, it's like fireworks happening outside and it's so loud. I always leave my windows open, so I need to get up and close it. So this is like the niacinamide that I got from Beauty Pie. Their hyaluronic acid as well. This is something that I use both of these, but in like different brands. I think the last time I used it in like I can't remember what you call that brand for the one that I use, but now I have the Ordinary, and I just think theirs are quite good. It's quite on the pricier side than like the Ordinary and like the other brand that I use, but this is their hyaluronic acid. It comes with a pump tube, which is so nice. I can't wait to try this. It said it's triple hyaluronic acid, so really excited to try these and see how they work. I think I did pick up like a face cream because I remember I was saying I didn't really like the Fenty face cream that I'm using because it's a bit too oily for me. It's a face cream and sun cream in one, so I wanted to pick up something different. So I think I did pick up like a face cream here. Yeah, this is their Pure Oxygen Glow Moisturizer. Pick this one up, and this is basically what I absolutely love, like the packaging of these as well, like amazing. I'm gonna list all the products that I got from Beauty Pie down below. I'm gonna link them for you guys, so if you wanna check them out you can, but like honestly absolutely love the packaging and I can't wait to use these. And the next item I got, oh yeah, remember this, I got like a cleansing balm. So the whole thing that I got is basically like a system I'll say I kind of create for myself, like the hyaluronic acid and the niacinamide. I'll use those, and then after I'll use like this, and then I'll just use this to double cleanse as well. So before the actual cleanser, like yeah, I'll do like a double cleansing. So this is it, and it's called Plantastic, so I'm guessing it's more like plant-based type of cleanser, I don't know. This is so nice. It actually comes with like an applicator at the top as well, you guys can see. I don't want to open it. And she proceeds to open it. I don't know what it smells like. It smells like nothing. I'm guessing it doesn't have perfume in it, which is good. I mean, it's good for sensitive skin. Yeah, it doesn't really smell like anything. I don't know what I'm saying. But this is what it looks like, and I can't wait to try these. I'm gonna keep you guys posted and let you know what I think. And yeah, thank you very much, Beauty Pie, for sending me these. Oh, they come with like cloth in there as well for you to wipe off the cleansing balm, which is super nice. But yeah guys, check the description. I'm gonna leave these linked down below for you guys, so if you're interested you can go ahead and check them out on Beauty Pie's website. So it's not much of the evening that I've spent with you guys, but I think I've got to go now because I have a little plan for Fridays. Today I have pretty much planned out the rest of the 9 weeks that we have left in the year, and on Fridays I wanna take the time to kind of like plan out my content for the week so I can get to batch create tomorrow. So I'm gonna do that, plan out some content for TikTok, and then plan like YouTube content as well, and pretty much just so I can create those tomorrow for the week and stuff. So if I'm still here I won't get to do that, so I've got to leave so I can get to complete that. Okay, so thank you guys so much for spending this evening with me. Dinner was a disappointment, but we moved, didn't really enjoy it. I still have some left out there. We're just gonna put it in the trash. Hate wasting food, but I'm going to love you and leave you. Thank you again for spending the evening with me, and I will be sure to catch you in the next one. Let me know if you like videos like these, and if you have any requests at all of videos that you want to see from myself or questions that you have, please be sure to leave them in the comment section below, and I will be sure to catch you in the next one.